where we say when they come Sunday, all their church and things them on top babies and bubbles them. Make it fun of us. This now the show we call Bubbles,
yeah.
And we don't fall into your TV screen again just to give you all their church and things them. Your night tonic, the show to make you sleep singing with it. No need for too much introduction. My men them the inside bar. Peace Ambassador.
Yo.
Why
Go on.
And the Hot Man Extraordinary.
How are you?
How was your day?
I wanted to ask a question. That song, Ice Prince, they say bottles in my name, but they say Orobo no get the money, but Orobo sabi to shake body. Lepa no get body, but a lepa that is scatter the place. Which one you prefer?
Lepa now. What is always?
Why?
Like saying that shit is scattered, then they spend money. Man.
But she no fit dance.
The cash.
But she no fit dance.
I know go pay coffee to come down. With the money.
You are the kind of person that can bring Beyonce to just come and sing your part and sing for you.
Yes, that
just
when
like
the money is there.
Yes!
What's there?
Just say, come here. These people don't know how to use money. If I get money, where I go take sure? They never say anything.
That makes some people where they see
Whiskey
money.
go just call like this. I just leave I want bath. I just say, stay in my powder and sing for me. I just say, yeah, expensive shit or which one they get do a leg back. And I be going to see the rub so you
We say louder.
That's not my story.
Me and Cheesy.
I said, no. Go back to that verse again. You will go back.
You know why? This money matter. Yoruba people give up and say, person wey see money for ground pick, he won't die. Who lost Amoko? You will pick money. You see money pick. Excitement won't kill you, won't die. You will faint.
Then the person will call loser.
Person wey lost the money come. When the person go, you see him. Now the small thing that if you don't die, go.
If you don't die, go.
Lost and go just die straight.
Because person wey lost the money come.
Adekule Gold, I watching this in video.
Oh, pick up.
Oh,
that's
very
my
nice
song.
Very
I'm
nice
point of
song.
out of the whole YBNL crew. He's one of the persons maybe I know say me I like.
That song.
Yeah,
But
very
I
nice
like the
song, very nice
person.
song.
I see.
Now message, the song carry
He
message.
carry
Now prayer
money.
and they pray.
He carry money.
Yeah.
He like a taxi.
Go return,
give the
like
man.
that story.
Tell me that story.
No,
Where
that
you
one
went?
I don't say story now.
that
Where the guy they
way.
work for NACO, where return money 18 million. Now you see for
They can't give her how much?
Now you go return for the man. The man can't give him 2,000 naira.
Good.
From
So when I watch Adekule, I say, I won't tell you. Say that man. When the man has reached the house, the man say, wow, you want it? As he want to get this, the story was that he gave him back the whole money. That is how it should be. If not, I will not leave the house. What are you telling me?
Is it your money?
Is it your own money? He was missing. Missing money is nobody's
Why
money
would
again.
you
No.
go?
So I just
Missing money is nobody's money
Why would
again.
you now
I set
go?
a trap for you.
I
I just left the
my
money.
brother,
there.
that trap what you said for me.
You will have gone to jail.
How would you
jail.
got that trap?
I will
A
leave
cab
Lagos,
man.
leave Nigeria. Look at you.
You leave 18 million in the cab man. Say
They
it's a
even give you 2,000 for transport. You are never happy.
Why? 2K, Shakara.
I beg, when we talk about the matter I carry come today. Now, we don't know say for relationship, it gets many things we did there because a lot of women them and men them, they always try to say their partners know they faithful. Their partners know they faithful. Now, I want to ask this matter. If your partner and your best friend, opposite sex, sleep on the same bed, na cheating be that one.
Have we discussed this before?
Yes, we don't discuss them before.
yes, we
and
have.
basically, for social media, now they can't talk, say they don't really enjoy them that last time. Say, we'll talk about them again today.
Okay.
Now it make me say, okay, we'll talk about
So that
them
means
again
it
today.
is part 2.
It is part 2.
Continuation.
Yeah. If you imagine, say, your partner and your partner friend sleep for the same bed, not cheating be that because situations a day where we say, it go occur, where we say, show man, for instance, your girlfriend go watch Shakara house and they go sleep for the same bed.
Okay, me and my girlfriend can sleep on the same bed. Not to happen. But my girlfriend will not sleep on the same bed with Shoma.
You are safer.
Yes.
Your girlfriend is safer with me.
Because this one,
I have told you.
2 by 2 leg, it can raise anyhow.
Maybe somebody I don't tell you many times, Shakara, I am your friend. Give me your friends, all your girlfriends' numbers. Let us be checking on. Ugo, it's not nice to check on your friends. You
It's
check
not
up your
bad.
friends. How your friend they feel? Say no, none of us they call them to know. They don't feel like your friends, though. You don't understand? But you are safe with me. Like when you say, okay, once in a while I say, Hello,
I'll go.
Jumoke, how are you?
No
Is Shakara doing well with you?
worry.
He say, yeah, well, he did not give me your account number. Let me send you. I'm doing it for you. It's not for anybody. It's for you.
I will give a number to customer care. Let customer care call.
My father, they are bad men there in customer care. They say the devil or you don't know. The devil you know
is better than
and the angel you don't know. You are safer with us. Give us
But really,
their number.
I just want, but really, is it cheat? It doesn't mean that you've cheated on
For your girlfriend to lie
For your
on
girlfriend's
the-
friend.
It's
Me
not
come
lie
and
on
ask him,
same bed.
follow lay
They
on
say
top the same
sleep.
bed.
That's like spending the night.
Yes.
Forget
yes,
you right.
Yes.
My brother, it's wrong.
I'm trying to think whether it
It's
ever happened
not
before.
like
Has it
cheating.
happened before in your life?
No, it hasn't.
No, think very well. You have to be very sure.
Because I've
before you
not
say
gone
it.
out with so many people. I think just like 2 or so.
So you mean say your friend, maybe like
What?
a Leno girlfriend in those days never sleep for the same bed with you?
No, how? I want to
As any of my friends ever come your house, come stay, and I know they let me think very well.
your friend.
When you,
You get
be
you, you get friend as girl.
But really, I even want to ask this question, Sef. Say, not necessary say man and woman go sleep for the same on top the same bed for inside the same room and say they must crank.
It's not compulsory. That's what I'm saying. That people like us, we fit. I don't do it many times, and they laugh me. I know the last time where I go in
No,
house
you
for
were not
mainland,
able
excuse
to.
me, you see,
It's your
that is
inability.
it. That's the problem.
There are different
When
people
a
they
man
talk.
refuses to do something, he's now tell that
if you have interest and you have the urge to,
I have interest. I like her.
But your inability
What is inability?
to carry out the task for the night.
One made him not be able to carry out the task.
I don't know. Probably.
His
The
swag,
way, no, it's not swag. He has got swag. Yeah, he's got swag. Not his swag.
Which
You understand? You know, it depends on the leg where don't they start something. You understand? Let me some guys, the first day where they start, they say, oh, you find out what's your Bobby, your boy, if I handle this, you know?
You understand?
The girl already know say,
Yeah.
this guy, nah, Rogeri Baba,
Nah, so nah.
nah, towards this angle they
Nah,
come.
so,
But the guy come there friendly guy, compared to they play with you. After all, this is not before, so.
But we know all the-
And then,
Okay.
at the end of the day,
Okay.
the way the girl they see the relationship,
Yeah.
it's not different. You understand? Jan, Mr. Nice Guy, we first come. Only other than that. But you know what you want to? You do on first day, do on second day, do on third day, it don't become tradition.
I was not a nice guy.
Let me tell you.
I was not a nice guy.
Let me tell you then. That's what you exactly. You
No. I was not.
Know.
I can tell you the story of between me and her. She clearly be know say I want her, but what she wanted was more of she knows people will look at me like I be playboy. That's the problem. The way people say I play. She wanted a serious commitment. She wanted marriage, and I told her I told her I wanted to. I like her even till now. I like her. Why is I like her even till now.
But man catch a local chiwe back and so on. Come on, ta.
Not a way oroboni. I'm looking back now. She's not horrible like that. She's not horrible. She's
not horrible like that.
Okay, now
she's there.
She's
The point. The point. No, we're coming to you because Sakara made a very good point there when he said. You know, sometimes you get how you go start something with the girl, you understand? And you go that because if you tell me, say, me girl can't lie for my bed, we have to first know how, if that's Sakara girlfriend, we have to know how our friendship been day before with this girl. If me and her, you get some guys, my cousin don't date girl, where the first day when they won't go date the girl, we don't begin talking like a week before, say, all of us, they say, we go try our luck when we dey school. Say anybody. But obviously he had more money, so he get the girl. You can't leave that kind of girl with me for the same bed, you understand? And you tell me say no go happen because they like this girl since. Even my cousin go know. If Sakara or you get any friend now where I know say I like, you dare not say you dare not bring her very close.
I remember who can go sharp.
Don't try it though. Don't try it though.
You know, feel.
You are my friend.
Maybe
We have been sharing things so.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.